Hi, I'm Donald Dinsmore. I'm the head of quality assurance at Adastra Labs, and I'd like to welcome you to our site today.
We're a Health Canada licensed standard processor nestled in the beautiful Fraser Valley of British Columbia, the heartland of the Canadian cannabis industry and a world leader of cannabis innovation. When we purchased our building back in 2019, we ensured the space could accommodate customization of every part of the design for the express purpose of high volume production of cannabis extracts and concentrates. With over 13,000 square feet of operational area, we have room to innovate. Before anyone can come into the production space, all staff and visitors have to change out of the street clothes and into personal protective equipment to ensure that absolutely no contaminants are introduced to the facility. Every surface of the facility is smooth and easy to clean to prevent the accumulation of dirt and debris. The flow of cannabis through the space is planned to ensure efficiency. The receiving area for raw material has control measures in place to keep the outside out and our cannabis safe. From this point on, material is tested by scientists at our co-located sister company, Chemia, a Health Canada licensed analytical testing lab. Consistent analysis ensures we capture the most value from the material. After delivery, raw material moves on to secure storage, which features video monitoring, motion sensors, reinforced steel studs, anti-spacing bars, and security mesh with capacity to store over 8,000 kilograms of cannabis biomass or finished product at a given time. From secure storage, cannabis moves into the grinding room. This is where we take premium buds and trim and grind them down into a fine powder to maximize our final product yields. After the grinding process is finished, we activate THC and CBD through the process of decarboxylation. Basically, just heating up the milled material to 150 degrees for 2 hours. After the heated cannabis cools, it's ready for extraction. Our CO2 extractor can handle 200 kilograms of cannabis every day and produces a crude resin that requires further refinement. It's the first of 3 planned extraction lines. The next 2 lines are going to allow us to process an additional 750 kilograms of input material per day and will allow us to offer a wide variety of new products while quadrupling our distillate output. Next, we take the crude resin from the extractor and dissolve it in food-grade ethanol and freeze it at -80 degrees Celsius overnight. Then we filter out the waxes and lipids, which leaves us with an alcohol and cannabinoid solution. After filtration, we remove ethanol from the oil using a rotary evaporator. This process allows us to reuse the ethanol in future batches. This is the final refinement step in our production line. Our machines process 1.5 liters of input cannabis oil every hour and output 72 kilograms of distillate at 90% potency every day. Following distillation, our filling machine is programmed to fill 30,000 vaporizer cartridges per day of formulated distillate. We have just purchased a second machine to double our capacity in the next 4 weeks. After the vaporizer cartridges are filled, they proceed to our packaging room, where they are packaged for immediate distribution and sale to the Canadian market.
I'm Andy Hale, CEO and co-founder at Adastra Labs. For more information about the tremendous growth potential, business development, or investment opportunities at Adastra Labs, please reach out to us at info@adastralabs.ca. Thank you.